So hello YouTube, today's video is going to be on this my Samsung 10 kg washing machine. I'm using it for many months and thought of making a video on it because I'm best person to make video on this higher capacity machines because I had three machines. One was the Bosch 10 kg. I have one more washing machine right now which is Samsung 11 kg which is previous model before this model. Okay, and I will tell you the honest facts about this washing machine. The model number is WA10BG4686BR. So this model number ending might change with respect to what feature you add-on you select over here. Like I have Eco Bubble and Super Speed. Some people have some other features, so that according to that the model number changes. This machine has the 2 years warranty, and this is a good part. It has 20 years warranty on the inverter motor. It has the digital inverter motor which is very silent and reliable. My previous machine, which is 11 kg machine on my another floor of my bungalow, so that has 10 years warranty on the motor. Samsung is only brand providing 20 years warranty. I was about to buy the LG one, but the problem with LG is they provide only 10 years warranty, and their panel, the control panel, is at the front. I absolutely hate washing machines which have control panel in the front because people will keep the bucket on this platform and then pour the clothes inside. And if you have panel over here, there are high chances of damaging the panel. So panel should always be on the back side. You have to invest little more to have such kind of iron machines which has the panel on back side, but it's really worth it. Another difference I will tell you about this new machine is there is size reduction. What they have did, instead of increasing the width of the tub, this is the main tub, they have increased the depth of the tub. So this same machine comes in multiple models like 7 kg, 8 kg, 9 kg, 10 kg, and I think even 11 kg. Okay, so the outer dimensions of all the machines are exactly the same. Only difference they have did is increase the height as per the capacity, and that is really not a good thing because my previous machine is huge. It's like 6 inches bigger than this one, which is 11 kg model, and its tub is wide, not deep. Okay, so this depth is useless unless and until you are washing small clothes every day. But if you want to wash the big clothes like the blankets and all, then the depth should be more. Okay, not just so then the width should be more, I'm sorry, not just the depth. Okay, so that is the point I have not liked about this machine. Another point, the difference I have noticed is the back side of this machine has the plastic cover panel, whereas my another machine, the older version of Samsung, has the metal plate, and its weight is very high compared to this machine. This machine is very lightweight, I don't know how, but the older machine I have is very heavy to lift up. That means it has better build quality. With time, these brands are reducing their build quality and increasing their prices with the gimmicky features like Wi-Fi and all. This machine has all the features, like I can control it via Wi-Fi, but there are many limitations to it. I will show you what additional features it has. One more difference I want to tell you that this machine has big 15 amperes plug point, and as soon as I start it on, it gives the kick. I can feel there is a jerk in power supply because this consumes lots of electricity. Now let me switch it on. Because it has the steam feature, it has inbuilt heater. So the differences compared to my older Samsung machine are, here I can set the spin cycles, like how many cycles I have. This is not a spin speed, guys. I don't know how Samsung made this mistake. This is spin duration. Okay, how long you want to keep this pin. This is not a spin speed. I tried all the speeds and speed is exactly the same. I am engineer, so I know the terminologies and technology very well. So these people are fooling you. Only spin you can set in the front load washing machine. Front load washing machine has the ability to set the RPM, but this washing machine has ability to set only the timing, not the speed. So Samsung, stop fooling people. Okay, other than that, this is the Wi-Fi feature. It's already connected to my smartphone. The Wi-Fi range is good because this machine is in bathroom and my Wi-Fi router is in living room. It's very far, but it still catches the signal. Other than that, smart control means it will stay connected to your phone, but the worst thing is you have to switch on the smart control before your cycle, and then only it will get connected to your phone and you can control the features via your phone. Super speed, this feature works only in normal mode, and what this feature does is only in rinse mode you will get water supply from here. I want to tell this common sense to Samsung guys. If you are providing this feature to directly have water supply in faster way from this nozzle, then why don't you give it by default to all the wash programs? It will work only in normal mode, and that too not in beginning. Okay, that too only in rinse mode, not in wash mode. Okay, in rinse, when your washing machine will be in rinse mode, then only water will come from this nozzle. I mean, it doesn't make any sense, right? It should always come from nozzle. Why you have provided the nozzle then? Because few people will use this detergent. I never use this detergent tray in any of my washing machines. I always pour my detergent liquid directly on the clothes or detergent powder directly on the clothes. I never use this tray because I have to clean it again and again. If I open it, you can see it's intact. I never used it. Another feature of this washing machine is it locks. Here is the lock, the pin which goes inside this. As soon as your wash program starts, it has soft closure. Okay, as soon as your wash program starts, now it will give a buzzer. See, that means door is closed. Now as soon as I will start the wash program, it will lock this door. And the purpose of buying top load washing machine is you can anytime open this door and add the clothes, and that purpose itself is killed now by Samsung. I think I should go to Samsung and email them this all these useless engineers they have. Why this kind of features you are giving? This is not a feature, this is a problem. Okay, so that's all about the cons. I have habit to share the cons before I share the pros. That's why I have shared all the cons. Other than that, one more thing I want to tell you. My another washing machine of bigger capacity has very good space from all sides because the body is little outwards. But this machine, you can see they are trying to make it compact. That's why when it wobbles, it's very less play. Okay, it will directly slam on the side walls when you will have little imbalance. Okay, I set up all my washing machines with the level tube perfectly, but still it wobbles sometimes when the clothes are heavy. And because this is compact, that is another drawback it has, that it will bump on the side walls. Okay, so this was one more con I had to share. Okay, other than that, it's a pretty fair deal. The prices are reduced now, I will say, because the features are increased and they have reduced the prices. That is because of this compromise, like plastic in the back, no separate nozzle for cold water and hot water. Okay, only one nozzle is there. My another machine has two intakes, cold and hot, but still it's fair. I got this for 30k, and I think these gimmicky features are not required, like remove this steam feature and remove this lock feature. The door should not get locked. Remove this super speed. Okay, this is also useless feature. There are many useless features in this machine. And remove this Wi-Fi smart control, we don't need it. And then launch this machine around 20k. It will be sold like a hotcake. Why you are complicating things? Okay, this was my video, honest video as always, on this Samsung 10 kg washing machine. If you are willing to buy this, I will still recommend it because there are not many options. Whirlpool is there, which has panel at the back, but I have heard they are not reliable machines. The service network of LG is best. Samsung comes on second, but I never had a problem with service. The engineer shows up every next day whenever I launch the complaint. I only launched complaint once, not more than that, and it was good experience. Now I will show. I'm planning to do the tub clean of this machine, so we'll do the tub clean, and I will show you how it looks in hyperlapse mode because it will take lots of time to have the idea how is the machine. It is same motor, I believe, like I had in my previous machine. That is also inverter motor, and the sound, the kind of activities it does, it's the program, it's pretty much the same. Another con of all Samsung machines, inverter machines especially, I will say, whenever you will start the program, this tub will spin for 3 times, like 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, and when you have the clothes, dry clothes loaded in it, or even wet clothes loaded in it, it will wobble a lot because it spins like it just gives the jerk, then stops, gives the jerk, then stops again. This happens for 3 times. That is because it calculates the water level automatically. Okay, that is the feature I can understand, but again, to Samsung engineers, if I am setting my water level manually, why you want to again recalculate and run that program? This machine is not smart, okay guys, and these Samsung engineers are also not smart. So now let's go to the tub clean program, because you can see there is some kind of scaling. Okay, see over here, and within 1 year there is scaling. I don't know how. Sometimes I have to use the borewell water because that is my backup water supply system. Other than that, I like that it has the steel pulsator made of pure SS, as well as steel drum you will get almost in every machine, but steel pulsator, stainless steel pulsator you will get only in premium washing machines. Okay, now let's do the tub spin. Hello guys, so this is my Samsung 10 kg washing machine. I can see some scaling in washing machine, that's why I have ordered, you can see over here. Okay, so I ordered this descaler from Meesho website, and it's pretty much same for all brands. Scaled inward. So you can see this is how it looks. It's pretty cheap, I think 50 rupees per packet. Now we will start the tub clean program, Eco Tub Clean. So this is predefined program. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to reduce something. Okay, reduce the spin. This okay, I cannot change it. Everything is preset because it is the Eco Tub Clean program. I think it will also use some steam, I'm not sure. Okay, so only smart control is working. That means As soon as I click on smart control, it gets connected to my phone and this door gets locked. I really don't like it. Now it's open. I'll start the program because I want to show it in middle how it does. This I don't like about sensor because the tub rotates 3 times unnecessarily. This is the program Samsung I have given. Now it will start taking the water. Okay, now we will resume this video once this is done. It will take 2 hours almost. Tub clean cycle is complete now. ठीक है, स्केलिंग अच्छा खासा कम हो गया.